Back up.
My name is Rebecca
Sit
McKinney.
down. Sit down. No.
My name is Rebecca McKinney, and I'm Michael's cousin that was here earlier. And I know what he's trying to do and build up his business. I am there on Tuesday nights with him and helping him. And I will agree there will be no cussing and no carrying on because our family wasn't raised to do it. And there will be no at all because we will put them out faster than they walked in. And we don't need an officer to back us up. Okay, number one, I would like to have the curves that's blue in front of 150 East Main Street painted. It is completely almost going. I spoke with a gentleman today that works for the town of Elkton. He was painting one curve. I told Michelle, one curve, and I said, sir, are you not going to paint the rest of the yellow curves? Someday. I said, oh, okay, thank you. But we also need to know that only are we working with the bikers at McKinney's Bar and Restaurant at 400 Block. We're also working with drinking at the ball fields behind me where I live and drugs. We're also working with drinking, walking up and down the streets. We're also working with it when Mary Jo does her best, and she's the only one does it for the Fall Festival. And if it wasn't for Mary Jo, we wouldn't have a Fall Festival or nothing else. So definitely we have a problem with them, and unlike Mary Jo, I don't think once they're in front of a bar drinking, stay there. Don't walk down the street with your alcohol beverages. Let alone you're driving with it. It's just as much walking down the street with it, especially where there's children and things. We don't want to see it, and we don't want the children to see it. So keep it in front of the bar where you're drinking at, and keep it there. Don't walk up and down the street with it, because it's not nice there to be seen. Specifically, it's not nice at our bar to be seen of the carryings on either, the McKinney's bar. So therefore, I agree with what you told him, and I'm also backing up the town of Elkton, because it's our town, we have to live in it, so let's keep it nice, neat, and clean. Also, I want to thank Mr. Hicks and Mr. Givens for helping me with my sickness, visiting me, and coming through with me and helping me get my beautiful home. I love it. And I'm able to walk around town. I have to have the oxygen when I walk, but that is it. I am doing good. I feel a lot better, and I'm feeling very much better than what I was. And I also would like to have, I have a problem. I was out visiting my cousin at 136 Hollingsworth Manor. 151 has 15 people and 14 dogs and 13 cats. Most of the people at 151, 152, and 153, and 154 are exactly drug addicts and drunks. So I would appreciate it if we, as you as a mayor, can see if we can get something done about that. I know I don't live there, but you also have to look after the children that do live in Hollingsworth Manor. I do care about children. And please see if we can't clean up around the ball fields when the children are playing ball. We don't need the drinking and carrying on out there that it has been. And I'd appreciate it if some of the officers could ride around and do something about it. Thank you, and God bless all of you and for caring about me. And thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Mike?
Mayor, could you just announce the results of the vote? I couldn't, how you voted?
3 to 2.
On the Infinity, I couldn't hear the
3 to 2.
result. Yeah, who was it?
Oh, Mary
McKinney.
Jo,
No.
what? Oh,
Yeah, which you voted? Who voted? How'd the vote
for
go?
the vote for the,
Yeah, who voted how?
2 nays and 3 yeas.
So those guys and then this side, okay. Thank you, that's all I need.
That's all? Okay.
I got something before we vote.
All right.
2 other things I would like to call for a closed meeting to discuss personnel, and also think that human resources need to find a way to either introduce people again or to send us pictures of new employees. I met a new officer today from New Jersey, very outstanding person, and we don't get to personalize with that person because we don't get to meet him. I don't know how you all feel, but
I agree.
Yeah.
I mean, I met him today and he said he's a new officer.
Yeah.
Police. Today, someone was with, with Vogel at Elton High School. But anyhow,
He is a new officer.
Sworn in.
no, that gets one of us the fact that they're going, well, we'll discuss that, but new employees. New employees,
I know half of the officers.
Vogel said he was what up. Closed meeting.
Okay, there's a motion, I have a second?
Second?
Okay.
Question though, wait a minute.
And I didn't sign, but can I just comment on one thing? It's easy, I promise. Commissioner Hicks has pointed out the sidewalks out there on Whitehall. There's 2 folks that come to our bank that ride those powered wheelchairs, and they ride right in the middle of the left lane. And I can tell you, one of the gentlemen really, you know, he's got to have some distress mentally, because even when he gets into the bank, he makes it there, but it's dangerous the way they travel. They do not travel, if there's nice sidewalks, they will not travel on the sidewalk.
No.
So, I don't know whether you can write, who owns them? It's that first group of apartments, the senior stuff. But it's very true. I had to go that way to go to the bank, back and forth and into town. And there's going to be one on, like an animal on the road here. It was very bad Monday morning. 2 of them were fighting for a lane, so to speak, and you had the damn cars and buses. So it is an issue. I don't think it's your fault. I mean, your fault meaning the town. I don't know where you would put them unless they had their own lane. But really, I don't think they belong on that road, to be perfectly honest. I don't think they belong anywhere driving that thing, but that's certainly not on a road where you got automobiles that are traveling. It's very valid. I'm somebody who is responsible for that road really ought to be made aware, because this is an issue out there.
Well, too, believe it or not, Jim, even on High Street, I've seen them come down High Street without even riding on the sidewalks. They just drive right down the street.
But that's what I'm saying, is just building sidewalks may not be the answer.
They're
because
making out wide enough
these
for them.
folks, well, no, I think it's more that I think that is, they have, they're in this, I mean, like, they haven't been shaven for months when they come into the back. It's just a matter of, they probably don't have any care.
Yeah. Right.
But it's dangerous. I mean, somebody's going to get hurt. Is that right?
I agree.
All right, did I get a second on that? I did? Okay. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carried, and we will not be reconvening.